Hey, the foundation is too much. Oh. I'm coming out. This is part of who I am. This is part of the many things that I am, but this is part of who I am, and I'd rather you know that now. Greetings, internet. It's your weirdo girlfriend, judithaffran. In case the sound comes out terrible, I apologize. My sound is messing up and I'm using the camera sound, so please forgive me for the terrible sound that you may or may not be hearing. I'm just going to go straight to the point. This is hopefully the first of many episodes of drag, makeup, and chat. The chat is mostly going to be about queer stuff, other stuff as well, sex relationship people, but mainly queer stuff, which brings me to the title of this video. I'm coming out. I am a drag king. It used to be I want to be a drag king, but I'm at that stage of my life where if I want something to happen, I make it happen for myself. I don't wait for anyone to give me approval, and I have pronounced myself a drag king. I'm going to start with my foundation. For the past 5 or so years, I've wanted nothing more than to dress up like a man and channel my inner masculinity. You've all seen him in the form of Kweku. I chose Kweku because, I'm born of God, my acne is terrible. And I hardly wear makeup too. I chose the name Kweku because it is the male version of my female birth name, which is Ikia, a name given to someone born on Wednesday. It's a simple name, but it's mine. When you hear Kweku, it's me. I don't know, maybe in future I'm going to add like a house name to it. If I do decide to start a house, I should start a house. And today I'm going to transform into Kweku. I'm so excited. This is my first time doing like full on drag makeup. I usually do it, but I haven't done it real. I want to like really try and get the contours and that male look. I just don't want it to be like drawing a beard on my face and just calling it a day. No, I want to go all out today. So yeah. Hey, the foundation is too much. Oh. I'm going to transform. I'm going to transform into him while I have some queer heart to heart with y'all. Can I do that? I can. I'm already doing it. I just want to put this out there. It's okay if I lose subscribers. Like, I don't even have much anyway. I'm not complaining. I'm really happy with all 657 of you as of the time I'm making this video. And it's also okay if you don't box with this, okay? It's totally okay to unsubscribe if it's not your thing. But my whole channel is not going to be about the drag and chat. I also do other things. If this alone sets you off and you want to unsubscribe, hey, you have more than welcome to do that. Oh my god, I have so many bumps. Feel free to do what makes you happy. This is part of who I am. This is part of the many things that I am, but this is part of who I am, and I'd rather you know that now than to find out later and just be like, I deceived you. Hey, so am I doing drag queen makeup or drag king makeup? Because those foundation is too much. Let's get certain things out of the way. I am not saying that I am transgendered, okay? I'm not trans. All I'm simply saying is I am a drag king. You've probably heard of you've heard of drag queens, but not much. You've not heard much about drag kings. I was looking, especially black drag kings, because I was looking for like videos when I was looking for makeup videos, try and get this shit right. I found a lot of videos about drag queens, but not a lot about drag kings. Why is that? Even the ones I found about drag kings is mostly white people, and this getting close to nowhere too close to being white. Let me try and define drag king a little for y'all. A drag king is a woman who dresses up or impersonates a man for entertainment on a stage, or what I'm doing in a video. So generally for entertainment, a drag king is a woman that dresses up as a man to put on a performance. You can read more about it online if you care. And yes, this is my journey. I'm now starting, so don't expect much at this point. Yes, it's definitely going to be a thing. Every Sunday there's going to be drag makeup, and chat. So, FAQs, commonly asked questions, or questions that might be on your mind. Yes, I am a woman. I have a vagina and I love my vagina so much. Why won't you connect, beard? But I believe that every human being has a masculine and feminine side to them. And I know for a fact that for me, my masculine side is more than just being a tomboy. Yo, like I kid you not, like even in IRL, actual tomboys, I have friends who are tomboys. They've told me that I'm not a real tomboy. Like to them, I'm a femme, just doing a light beard today. Anytime they tell me that, it actually hurts. But I realized that it was more than just being a tomboy. I found some sort of peace in drag, you know. When I found out about drag, I'm like, OMG, this is it, this is me. No, I have never performed on a stage. I have never performed on a stage as a drag king before. But I feel like I perform as Kweku anytime I do a video featuring him. For people who do skits, they dress up as guys to, like if their storyline has a male character. But for me, like it's drag for me. I'm dressing up in drag to play a male character, as a form of entertainment. I personally do not think that you have to be queer to be a drag king. I already have a beard. I already have a mustache out there, just chilling under my nose like that. It's not set in stone. As I said, I'm still learning. I don't know everything about drag just yet. But hey, having a queer streak in you makes it all the more fun, in my opinion. Again, I don't know if I've already answered this, but no, I do not want to be a man. I had to pick a phone call, and I took the liberty to do my hair, and I put some contour here, and I tried to contour my forehead. I do not know what I'm doing. I love the feeling of looking like a man and entertaining. If you have questions about, being a drag king, or general ideas for gay topics, queer topics you want me to discuss in the subsequent videos, please leave it in the comments below. I think the next topic will be, if you are queer, how did you know you were queer? And then on the subject of being queer, if still my sexuality means so much for you to, get a grasp of why I want to be a drag king, I will tell you this. I know the whole I'm coming out title, you'll be expecting more. First of all, sexuality is fluid, and the LGBTQIA, the letters keep increasing. There are a whole lot of people around the world who represent a letter in that acronym. And I represent a letter in the LGBTQ acronym, but I can't tell you which letter it is. Maybe in future videos of drag makeup and chat, I may reveal it. But for now, let's play a game. You've heard of 2 truths and a lie, right? Okay, so I'm going to make this 2 lies and a truth. So I'm going to tell you 3 things, and only one of them will be true. The one that makes you feel comfortable to continue watching my videos, take that one and go with it. But just know that if you take that one is true and the other 2 is a lie. So here goes. First statement is, I like only women. Have you seen boobs, butt, their faces, women? Second statement is, I like only men. Ooh, women, what? No, I like only men. The beard, the six-pack, the hair on the chest, the beard. Did I already say beard? I already said beard. And the third statement is, I like both genders equally, or 70-30. I don't know. I like both genders. So pick whichever one works for you. Oh my god, it's looking alright. It's looking alright. I think we're getting expecting it. But in my opinion, my orientation shouldn't matter. But if it matters to you, just pick one of these statements and go with it. Okay, I'm glad I cleared that up. Thank you so much for coming to my TED Talk. Regardless of what sexual orientation you choose, I want to talk about queer stuff. I have wanted to talk about queer stuff for the longest time. Oh my god, you have no idea. Especially being black and queer and living on the continent where especially it's not safe to be queer, you know? So yeah, I think I'm done. I should be done. Let me just deepen my beard small, my mustache. I mean, on a normal day, I would try and glue. I haven't gotten to that stage where I glue, I glue hair on my face. But when I do get there, this is just to at least show you how I get. This is just to show you a bit of me as Kweku. This is really, really light. Like, I haven't really gone deep with the makeup and the contours and all that. So this is light. This is me now as Kweku. Never mind the fake deep voice. My voice is not even that deep. Follow me on Instagram and see Kweku in all his glory. So if you are still here, please leave a heart emoji. So yeah, actually this is me. I'm doing this because I want to find my tribe. And how can I find my tribe if I am not truly myself? So spread positive vibes. Peace.